Hi everybody. I wanted to pop in and talk to you about our January craft together. I'm a little late getting the information together. Lisa's been sick, so we haven't had a chance, and plans changed again because our guest with the coffee filter book is going to be in the process of moving. So we are going to do our craft together January 14th and January 28th at noon Central Time. The 14th will be on my channel, and then the 28th on Lisa's channel, and those are both Tuesdays like we have used in the past. So the 14th and the 28th, noon Central Time. That information will be down in the description box. We're going to make a little book that unfolds and okay, come on now, you're supposed to fold back together, Tanya. Okay. When you fold it, it flips open. See here? And you can make it as many pages as you want. This one is not very well decorated because I just made it up as a little sample for you to see. In between each page, there's also a place that becomes a pocket. So you can create pockets in those pages, and then see when this folds out to the next one, that pocket is still right there. And then there's another pocket that is over here. Okay, so this is the little book that we're going to make. Now, I made this one tiny because I grabbed something and I just made it. So you can make it any size you want. And actually, the one I'm going to make, I'm probably going to use scrapbook paper. So the big thing is that your papers, whatever you're going to use, must be square. The bigger the book gets, this is just lightweight scrapbook paper, okay? It is not cardstock weight in any means. It's just paper, like copy paper weight. This is a little heavier than that. This is cardstock weight. The bigger your square gets, the better this paper has to be. It has to have some thickness to it. It does not have to be cardstock. I'm probably going to use this paper pad. I haven't decided yet, but it is cardstock weight. The reason I say I haven't decided yet is because I have not folded one of these, and I need to make sure that it folds real well on both grains. That is one of the biggest issues, is that if your paper doesn't like being folded well, then it's liable to tear along one of the folds. So what you want to do is choose a paper for your pages that will handle being folded. Like I said, doesn't matter what you use, but it needs to be square, and you want to have enough pieces to make as many pages as you want. This one has 6 pages in it. I probably will make more pages than that in the one we're going to make. I just grabbed 6 pieces of paper for this particular little book. Okay, so then once you have your pages, your paper for your pages, you're going to need something for the covers. And this is, I use just a piece of tag board, like cereal box. That will work just fine for the covers. But you also need something to cover it. Now on this, I just used a piece of paper to cover it. So if you have paperweight scrapbook paper, you can cover your you could use book paper to cover it. Whatever you want to cover this, you need some cardboard and something to cover it. Now if you want to cover it with fabric, that's up to you. We're going to put some hard covers on the outside. Now we will probably decorate and make tags and all kinds of things in the craft together, but I just wanted to let you know what you needed to have prepared ahead of time so you could play along with us. We hope you're playing along with us. Now I'm going to tell you that we have actually done this fold back when we were doing the Totally Junk Journal project. I used it as a pocket that folded out. So this particular thing we've actually done before, and we talked about turning it into a book once before. This is it's just a little bit different way of using the same kind of a fold. So I hope you will play along with us. Again, the dates are the 14th and the 28th at noon Central. The 14th will be here on my channel, the 28th on Lisa's channel. Okay, let me read you a quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity, and then I'm going to get this video edited so that I can try to get it uploaded before this evening. And, oh, I guess I have to have those if I'm going to read this. Work will always be with us, and many works are worthy, but the worthiest works of all often reflect an artful creativity that looks more like play than work. James Ogilvy. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. Go have fun. Make some art.